If you are looking for the perfect screenshotting tool for your Mac devices, then this is it. This is the CleanShot X. Let's find out what makes this different than your default screenshotting preview app. Hey, my name is Shivam and you can check this out from the link in the description below. But first, let's start with what CleanShot is. So CleanShot X is a powerful screenshotting app that does not only take photos, but it can do much more than that. First up, let's see how to use this. Let's look at the first scenario if you are taking screenshot from the default Mac's preview. To do so, we press the Command Shift 3 and you just have a screenshot, and if you click on it, you have a couple of options like you can edit this, like you can delete this here, share it, done, or you have the option to edit it, and you have all these tools like scribble, doodle, etc. You can make shapes and sign, all the basic stuff. And now let's look at the CleanShot. I already have the app open, so we click on this. So we have all these options. There's this tray icon. Let's click all in one. You get this toolbar where you can adjust the settings and what type of screenshot you want to take. So there's area, there's full screen, window, scrolling, timer, OCR, screen recording, etc. So let's first start with the area. If you tap on the area, we can take the screenshot of the whole display, and once the screenshot is taken, this is what appears on the bottom. So unlike the Mac screenshotting tool, this stays right there. It doesn't swipe left or right until we do some sort of action. So when you hover over it, you have these options. You can copy this. You have this option to save. You can close this if you don't need this. You also have the option to pin it. Like if you want to refer this for later, you can just press this pin and it will just stay there. You also have the option to edit this. And there's the cloud option. Let's go to the annotation and edit area. Yeah, so you have all these options to choose from. Like first up, we have the crop and resize where you can just crop the screenshot. So we also have the ratio here. Next to that, we have image editing tools, which we will check out in a second. So next to the crop tool, we can add another screenshot if we would like to. We can take another screenshot and put it here, or we have the option to choose from a file. Then you have this image background option that we will check in a second, but before that, let's see all these tools. So you have the mouse here, you have the shape tool here, you can make solid, you have circles, then you also have the line, there is arrow, then there's text option. You have, if you want to blur something, pixelate something, then you can do it like that. Then you have this highlighting area, like if you like to highlight anything, then you can do it like this. And that's how the iPhone 17 looks like. So then you also have the option for numbering, like 1, 2, 3, you can do this, which is quite helpful, I would say. Then you have the option to draw. There's also the option for highlighting, if you would like to highlight any text, and it automatically aligns with the text. Then we have color options and the basic stuff. But let's talk about the background, which is quite exciting part. So here we have all these tools. We can add background. Like if you click on this, this is so cool. You can choose between all these backgrounds, which make this look extremely good. Let me just remove this highlighting area. Yeah. Now, if you check out the background, you have all these options. And you also have the option to add the wallpaper or your custom image. Then we have the plain color options if you would like to, like this looks good. And there's tweaking, definitely, that you can fiddle around. So once we have that done, we can just click on save as, or we can just click on done. But there's also another option that I would like to show. There's a drag me here. So if you hold this and then you drop it somewhere like in your files, in your email, it will automatically work as a drag and drop file. So for now, let's click on done and it's there. Now, if you would like to, then you can just pin it. Again, you have these options like copy, save, etc. But let's check out this cloud icon that you were looking at. So if you press on it, it will automatically upload to the CleanShot's cloud account. That's the storage that they offer with the app. Now, let's check out the other options that we were seeing before. So let's click on this. So we just checked out the area. Then you have the full screen mode. So if you tap on it, it will capture the whole screen. And similarly, we have window option. And what's interesting is scrolling. Let me show you. So if I open up a browser quickly, so I'll just cancel this one for now. So if I open the browser, so let's say I want to take the screenshot of the whole page. So what we can do is, let's just also get rid of this. So now if we click on this and just do the scrolling capture, so now we can just highlight the area, mark the area where we want to record the scrolling screenshot. So let's say I want to record this area, and now let's start capturing. So let's just scroll, and as you can see on the right, the screenshot is being generated. So yeah, once you are done, you just click on done, and you have this long screenshot, like the whole page is here, which is quite helpful, I would say. And again, you have all these options to edit as well. So let's check out the other options. So here you have the timer option, then you have OCR, which is to capture the text. Then we have recording if you would like to record the screen. So we also get that option, which makes this not just a screenshotting tool, it's also a screen recording app as well. Then you have the resolution option, and you also have the crop options, like if you want to take screenshots and recording in a specific ratio. So that was how you take screenshots on the CleanShot X. Rest, I like that there is a tray icon here, which can be quite helpful. And there's one setting I appreciate, and that is show desktop icons, which is extremely helpful when you don't want to share what's on your messy desktop. So let me show you. Once you click on this, it will hide everything while taking screenshots. So now if I click on this, now this is on hide desktop. So see, now if we take screenshot, it will be clean. Let's check out the setting as well. So here are the settings that you can tweak with. You have all these options. Start at login, then you export location, the wallpaper you want to set. You have shortcuts as well. So this is quite helpful. Then you have quick access, like where you want to keep the screenshot. Like right now it's on the left. You can also just put it on the right. Yeah, this looks better. Now there's recording. You have all these options. There's video. You can choose the FPS. You have the resolution. And you also have the option to record the computer audio as well, which is otherwise quite difficult to record on a Mac device as compared to Windows device. But here we have the option to record the computer audio as well, which is another plus. Lastly, you also have the GIF option. And even while exporting the video, you have the option to export the GIF file. So that's also there. Next to that, you have screenshot format. You want to keep PNG, JPEG, WebP. You have that here. So you have all these settings to play with. And lastly, I would like to highlight the cloud function of the CleanShot X. As I was saying, you have this storage that is 1 GB for all your screenshots. And when you click on that cloud icon, it will automatically upload that to your cloud account, and then you can share that screenshot directly via a link. So that's there, and that was how it works and how you can use it. And now let's talk about the pricing. So there are two ways you can buy this. I'll show you both. So first option, and my personal favorite one, is the Set app. I already have the Set app subscription. So Set app is a platform by MacPow, and you have so many curated and best apps for Mac device and even for iOS. And all you have to do is get a single subscription instead of purchasing all the apps individually. Like if you use Clean My Mac X, recovering software like Recover It, Disk Drill, or you use Bartender, you have iStat menu, and there are a lot, including the CleanShot X. So we just have to get this single monthly subscription, and it will give us access to all the apps. For the pricing, as you can see, if we check out the annual plan, this is what it looks like. This is $8.99 per month if billed annually. And if you are looking for iOS apps as well, then you have Mac plus iOS subscription as well. This is $11.24. And if you are a power user, you have multiple Mac, then definitely check out the power user plan at $13.49. Now, if you look at the pricing for monthly, then it's just $10, $12.50, and $15 per month. Whereas when we compare this pricing to the CleanShot X, now it will start to make sense for you. See, the pricing is $8 per user per month when billed annually, or $10 per month billed monthly. So the pricing is exactly same. See, $10 per month if billed annually, and you get the Cloud Pro plan with this subscription. And this Cloud Pro is also included in the Set app subscription. So we are getting a very good deal with the Set app. Now there is another plan as a one-time purchase that is $29 that will give you app and the Cloud Basic along with 1 year of updates. Now if you want more updates for another year, then you can pay $19. So to me, Set app makes sense, definitely go for it. And you also get 7 days of free trial that you can take advantage from the link in the description below. The rest, I'll leave the links for both of them, for the Set app and for the CleanShot X. Make sure to check those out. But that's been it for today. Now, if you want to take advantage of the notch, then you can check out the notch nook video that we created earlier right here, and it's also included in the Set app subscription. And if you want to clean your Mac, then there you go. Now, both of the apps are included in the Set app, so give it a try. Now, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye bye.